One of the most important lessons that I've learned with growing a business is that you have to take every day as they come. And you have to get up even when you don't feel like it. You have to get up and get out there and do the thing. Right? A lot of times when we're building businesses, you worry. And I worry a lot. Right? Is this gonna work? Am I gonna get clients? Do I get the right clients? Do I go this place? Should I go that place? Everything you worry about when you're running this business, because it's your baby and you care about it with all your heart and soul, But it's important, don't worry, because 85% of the things you worry about don't materialize. What is important is action. When you get up every day and you decide to show up, you will, promise you, you will see results. Showing up is the hard part because it requires consistency, and very few people have consistency. When you understand that consistency is what sets you apart, consistency is what's going to bring the profitability to your business, then you get up, you show up, and you do the thing.